Hey there, everyone. This is Julian at FormWise. And in today's video, I am going to show you how you can use some shortcuts or tools we have enabled for everyone so that you can streamline certain processes. Okay. In the past, it took time to build a copilot like this. You had to think of an identity, a name, the process outline, and so on. Okay. So to shorten the time, what we have done is that we have trained ChatGPT and we have customized ChatGPT to do everything for us. Okay. So this is how it looks. In a moment, I will show you how to get there. So for my example today, I am going to build a tool that gives you cooking tips. Okay. So how did I get here? I will show you in just a moment for you to see. We go to our formwise.ai, then we scroll down all the way to the bottom, and we come here where it says knowledge base. And that is going to take you to our manual. As you can see, we have different resources here. So for the example that we are talking about, we're going to use the Copilot Builder GPT. And yeah, so here is where I was. So now I will tell the GPT what is the tool I want to build. Please keep in mind that I'm building a copilot, so the outcome is going to be like instructions for a copilot. Okay, so I will say what I want to build. Okay, so this is what I am going to tell the GPT that I want to do. So I want to build a copilot that gives cooking tips, best practices, recipes, and answers any cooking related questions. Okay? So it's going to ask me a couple of questions, and once I answer those, it's going to generate the entire instructions for my copilot. Okay? Okay. So I've answered the questions. As you can see, I am just using the same like suggestions the GPT is giving me. You can do that if you want, or you can also, if you have already like an idea of what you want to do, you can just write it there. So look how this is going to work. It's doing everything for us. It took just a couple of seconds for me to write down what I wanted to do, and the only thing that I will need to do right after this is to come to our builder and I will copy this and you'll see how that is going to work in just a couple of seconds. It's really important that our Copilot has an identity and like a process outline, very like defined, so that everything that you do there is very precise and it provides the right information. Okay, so let's use this to change the name of our tool. I like the dark theme here, right? I will tweak this a little bit. All right. So as you can see here, what I just did is that, for example, I added these dashes here and these double hashtag. These are like best practices, let's say, for it to look a little bit more organized and everything. And for the instructions to be precise as well, for the builder or the copilot to give the information very concise. So that's why we use this. As you can see, I'm separating the how to help with this. This would represent like this type of break lines we see here, like this one. That is what the double hashtag represents. Okay. So I also gave another like final instructions to the tool. I said if there's any fun fact about the recipe or the cooking tip requested to share it. Okay. Now there's other thing I didn't mention that we can use this. uh, Copilot Builder GPT-4, and that is the following. For example, as you can see here, I can add a description. I need to ask I'm sorry, I need to add a placeholder text and so on and so forth. Okay, so we can also use our GPT to do that for us. Okay, so what I will do in my recommendation is you're going to copy everything and you're going to do the following. Okay, so I said based on the Copilot prompt below, generate a quick one-line description, placeholder text for the chat space of the Copilot, and three conversation starters. So I'm pasting the entire prompt, and look, the only thing that I would do is copy this and paste it here. Mhm. Okay, we just copy and paste. Anytime you add something in these boxes, my recommendation is to click outside those boxes to see the changes applied immediately. Okay, and now we are going to add our conversation starters. Okay, I have just added my three conversation starters. For those who don't know how to use this, I am recording some short videos of every part of the Copilot Builder. Okay. All right, so we have this conversation starters, as you can see, look the way it's looking right now. Remember, our recommendation is to use GPT-4o, and let's allow web browsing. There's something new here with the Copilot, and is that you can customize if you have a background image or something, you can use CSS. Okay. All right. So I think this tool is ready to be used. Let's let's just publish it live and let's use it like outside here. Okay. Also, something I forgot to mention is that you can add you can upload your own logo or something you want to use. So I like to use this flat icon website and cooking. Let's use this one. Okay, I have already downloaded that image and there we go. If let's say if we change this, it's going to look like that. I didn't see the color it had, but well, you know now that you can change that here, okay? All right, so let's publish the live so that we can see our image here. Okay. Mm, I want to show you something that I found out yesterday when I was testing a tool, and is that this GPT is also like multilingual or something. So if you type in a different language, I am almost sure that this is going to bring the response in that language as well. But we can give it a try at this moment. Okay. I speak Spanish for you, just for those who didn't know. All right, so I am asking what are the ingredients for cooking a paella, which is a Spanish recipe. And look, as you can see, it's answering in that language. So if you are using this tool for people in different parts of the world, they can just input their questions in their language and the tool would answer in their language. Okay? So that is what I wanted to show you. This is how our builder works. Remember, for you guys to access this, you just need to go to our manual and look for the option that says FormWise Copilot prompt builder, GPT, and you would access to this. And look how fast it was for us to create this tool. Okay, so I hope this helps a lot, and I'll be seeing you.